And everybody, Brian back here with another Kaspa update. I'm getting a splitter for my laptop so I can hook my sound card up. I apologize if the sound's been kind of crappy. When I do these videos, I want to do the best I can for you guys. That's my main objective. So I will get that sound card hooked up, and we'll definitely get that taken care of. I apologize. That's the first thing I want to address here because obviously you guys are number one when I do these videos, so I want to do the very best I can. All right, let's move on here, guys. We're going to look at this chart in a second. This thing looks beautiful. I believe we're going to get an all-time high here real soon. All right, I want to show you the whale alert real quick. Not sure what's going on here, but 7 hours ago, 216 million Kaspa, 1% of the supply. 216, 1% of the supply. 8 hours ago, 216. That's we're up to about what 650. There's another 216. 9 hours ago. 10 hours ago, another 216. Where are we at? About a billion. What's that? 10% of the supply. 11 hours ago, another 216. 10.4 million. 12 hours ago, another 216. 13 hours ago, another 216. 13 hours ago, another 216. 13 hours, another two. What are we at? About 1.5, and that's a low estimate. I'm just doing it in my head. 13 hours ago, another 216 million Kaspa. 15 hours ago, another 216. 15 hours ago, another 216. Yeah, makes you wonder. That's about 2 billion Kaspa. What is that? You're talking 1% of the supply when you do 217 million. That's what, 15% of the supply, 10%. I don't know. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. You're talking hundreds of millions of dollars. That's not to pay miners. Maybe they're cashing in. Kaspa's cashing in some coins for some liquidity. I don't know, but I just thought it was interesting. All right, let's move on here. Here's the Block Explorer, 21.9 petahash, looking great. 21.87. I seen this thing up to 23 not too long ago. 1.8 transactions a second, 2.6 blocks per second. All right, so things are looking good. Market cap's over a billion. Trading volume at $16 million. All right, got an article here. Kaspa continues to flirt with an all-time high. Can Kaspa break the 5-cent resistance? Kaspa token has rose by over 50% September. The price increased by 10% in the last 24 hours. The key resistance now is seen at 5 cents. All right, if we go over here, this thing has had a high of 0.0505 right here. All right, back to this article. Kaspa stands out as a rare crypto in 2023, bucking the overall market trend. It embarked on an upward trajectory from the beginning of the year, surging by over 1,100% since January. Although it reached an all-time high and subsequently experienced a 50% decline in September, the current scenario involves a critical resistance level flirting just beneath the previous all-time high. All right, the question is whether Kaspa can break through and set a new all-time high, or will it face rejection and slide downward once more. Kaspa reached its all-time high on August 6th when it touched 0. That's wrong. It should be 0.052 level. There, a larger downtrend began with the price falling down to 0.032 on August 29th, recording a 39% decrease. Typical in crypto. All right, you go 100% normal. Every coin out there does it. If you look at this chart, it's 100% normal. All right, right here you have there's a 700% rise, followed by a 70% dump. And then once again you go from 255% rise to a 37% dump. Totally normal. I could show you every crypto out there, and that's normal. This was likely an ABC correction characterized by a 3-wave decline. Following its conclusion, a recovery began, with the price initially attempting to retest the 0.038 level on August 29th. However, it was pushed down for a retest of the previous low at 0.032. The retest established a horizontal support, resulted in the beginning of a large uptrend. Kaspa made a breakout above its descending resistance level. That was this blue line we had here. If we put this on a daily, you can see it. That was the resistance level right there. And that's the breakout we got from it. That's what they're talking about. At its peak during the recovery, the price reached 5 cents, just shy of the all-time high. Can it sustain this upward momentum and surpass the resistance? The price experienced a modest pullback on September 5th, but it has since resumed upward. This is the price prediction here. Let's see what they... a decisive breach of the 5-cent resistance level could propel the price to a new all-time high. Conversely, swift rejection and a return to a downtrend would likely signal the onset of a more significant downward trend. In the event of a downturn, the price target stands at 0.038. Alright, all this is not financial advice. Obviously, 0.038. Where are they talking? Let's take a look here. 0.038. They're talking down, yeah, somewhere down there. Okay, if it gets rejected. I don't believe a rejection's coming. You want to honestly, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is a 5-wave up. Right here, got 1, 2, 3, 4 complex 4th wave. That's what you want, and then a 5th wave. I believe we're going to send an all-time high here. If I pull these RSIs up, all right, the regular RSI down here on the bottom is bullish at a 65 and a 59. This one up here is ready to turn up. The MACD is bullish on the daily. The weekly, we got a bullish stochastic. We got a bullish MACD down here, and we have a bullish regular RSI down here. All right, so we go to the 12-hour, bullish on the MACD. The 12-hour just reset on the stochastic, 25 and a 21. All right, just reset. The 8-hour just reset, a 37 and a 24. Actually flipped bearish down here on the MACD on the 8-hour. I believe that'll be changing though. That was just this pullback down. That's when it flipped over right here when it had this. Let's pull this up a little bit so I can show you. This pullback right here is where the MACD flipped. All right, I believe that's going to be flipping back over. We have a green 8-hour candle. The 8-hour just started up, and the 4-hour RSI is bullish. The MACD is just about ready to flip over down here on the 4-hour. You can see the blue just about ready to flip. We have a green candle started there, and in my opinion, this thing's going for a new all-time high. All right, if we put a, let's look here. Let's go to the 12-hour. If we put a trend-based fib on this and look for a target. All right, I'm not using them wicks because there's too many of them there. You know, that would give this thing a target up at about 6 cents. Yeah, I don't think this 5th wave is going to go the whole way up there, but it definitely looks like a 5-wave setup here. You know, of course that 4th wave went the whole way up to right about the 5-cent range. Then you had a pullback down to about 0.044 area. You know, it's hard to say how high this could go. You know, we'll have to see. If volume comes in, you know, maybe up to the 3.618, right up at 6 cents. I don't know. We'll have to see what happens here, but I definitely believe it's coming soon. I think, you know, not financial advice, guys, and but I believe we're going to smash this and set a new all-time high. Things are looking good. We got volume. You know, we had a spike here. Then it kind of leveled down. We have volume rising back up. Had some sellers come in here. You can see the red candles. And this 12-hour is just about ready to turn green. This 12-hour candle. Look at this. This all got sucked back up here. Some sellers came in, but some buyers came in too and bought this candle up. So This thing looks great. All right, I don't think it's going to get rejected. I'd be pretty surprised if it does, because these RSIs just look perfect. The 12's heading up, the weekly's heading up, the 8 hour is just reset and heading up. The 4 hour is bullish also. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic day. Consider joining the channel as a member. I would appreciate that very much. Please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you very soon, guys. Hopefully tomorrow we're celebrating an all-time high. Have a great day, everybody.